Good morning to all the wonderful females which are existing on this universe. On this special occasion, I would like to congratulate each one of you. Well, on this special occasions, I would like to share certain thoughts that I have for this wonderful world called as female. We all talk about the women's right, I would say, but however, I feel that it's not about equality. As women, I would say, are far more superior, they are more committed, they're more dedicated. Their inner strength is much more stronger than we guys can think of. Now, these attributes, I would say, helps them to manage the work efficiently and balance the life of work and the households. I would say that keeping in view all the attributes that I have seen across the females which would have come across my life, they are the real jewels which are existing in the society. Now, these jewels have a lot of impact on the workplace and your personal fronts also. Having said that, we are also definitely blessed with some of the wonderful female who basically work for us, and they constantly endeavor to make this place a better workplace. I see the same amount of dedication that I would have seen across for my mother, basically bringing me up and making the difference in my life. Now, they are the true examples by which the human mankind should lead and follow. Now, these special women are indispensable to our organizations, to the society, to the mankind. On this special occasion, it directly comes from my heart that I would like to term them as the jewels of the society, of the organization. In our organization also, I would say there will be a lack of spirit if we don't have them in our structure. So on this occasion, I would like to wish them all the best. Have a great life. God bless. Keep making the difference in the society that you guys have been doing, and have a great day. Thank you.
Hello everybody, good morning. Here's wishing all my women colleagues and friends a very happy Women's Day. While I feel that every day should be celebrated as the Women's Day, but at least this day all men can cautiously think about the great gratitude we should have for women around us who make our lives better. I like this quote from Michelle Obama, wherein she says, "Success isn't about how much money you make. It's about the difference you make in people's lives." I truly feel that women are surely the sun of the family, that is the SUN of the family, and one of the characteristics of the sun is that when the sun rises, it can completely dispel darkness. On this occasion, I want to forge my determination to support all women in my environment, be it at work or home or society, and not leave any opportunity to express my gratitude in words and action. Let's continue to do our best. Thank you very much.
Hi, this is Ujjwal. I'm a management associate in the business intelligence unit, and so this goes out to all the women in my life, be it my personal life or my professional life. Thank you so much for all your contributions throughout my journey so far in my personal life and here at Satin. Each and every woman in my life has been a wonderful support to me and has offered me the utmost help and amazing support to me. Thank you so much to everyone out there, especially the female employees that I work with. They are the most amazing employees and co-workers to work with. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Sarvesh Chaturvedi, and today to all the female colleagues that I have come across, I wish to share my regards and gratitude for all the help and support. I wish to thank you for all the learnings that I've got from you. Along with that, I thank you for being such a wonderful human beings that you are. I wish you all the best for all the future endeavors. Thank you.
Hello everyone, on this International Women's Day, I would like to pay ode to the most happening, lively and optimistic lady whom I have ever met in my life. Well, being a PR person, I'm actually running out of adjectives. So yeah, I'm talking about my guru, my mentor, our Corpcom and IR head, Aditi Singh, who has been a source of inspiration to me through her encouragement, enthusiasm, perfectionist viewpoint, agility and a plethora of traits. Thank you so much, ma'am, and I'm grateful to you for your professional guidance as well as for advising me with the true values of life. You made me realize that whatever happens in life, there are always two aspects to it, the positive and the negative. We must let go the negative and go ahead with the positive, because if you got to see the rainbow, you need to deal with the rain, right? Thank you so much.
हाय, मेरा नाम गुरविंदर सिंह है और मैं CS टीम से हूँ। मेरा मैसेज तमाम उन लड़कियों, बहनों, माताओं के लिए है जो मतलब स्पेशली जो इंडिया में है, क्योंकि हमारे यहाँ कल्चर है कि मतलब जब बेटी पैदा होती है पहले तो उसी पे ही मतलब कई लोग अभी भी सोसाइटी में ऐसा है कि लोग मतलब ढंग से उसको नहीं मानते, उसको शुद्ध नहीं मानते हैं, सब बेटे की चाहत रखते हैं। बट बेटी होना कोई आसान बात नहीं है कि जैसे ही वो बड़ी होती है फिर उसकी शादी होना, अपना घर छोड़ के जाना, पहले ही उसको अपने घर में बोला जाता है कि वो मतलब ये तो पराया धन है, पराया धन है। बट फिर वो दूसरे घर जाती है तो वहाँ भी वो पराई कहलाती है। अपना घर छोड़ के जाना मतलब बहुत हमारे लिए बहुत, हम खुद ही इस चीज पे मतलब हम बीइंग अ बॉय हम कहते हैं कि मजबूत है, लेकिन हम कुछ नहीं है लड़कियों के आगे। अपना घर छोड़ के जाना बहुत बड़ी चीज होती है और नए घर में जाके फिर नई तरीके से लाइफ को स्टार्ट करना, ये लड़कियां ही कर सकती हैं। हम सोच भी नहीं सकते अपने माँ बाप को छोड़ के किसी और के साथ रहना। और फिर भी उनको मतलब अभी भी है कि चलो अब तो ट्रेंड चेंज हो रहा है, बट अभी भी कल्चर इंडिया का ऐसा ही है कि ढंग से उनको अपनाया नहीं जाता। मतलब वो तब दूसरे घर में जाके भी पराई ही रह जाती है और एट द एंड भी वो पराई ही अपने लाइफ को छोड़ जाती है। तो नेशन में कंट्रीब्यूट करना, ये सब करना, ये सब करते हैं, बट मेरे ख्याल से जो पर्सनल सेक्रीफाइस होता है वो सबसे ज्यादा इम्पोर्टेंट होता है। तो ये काम सिर्फ लड़के ही करते हैं, इसके आगे कोई भी क्या कितना भी पावरफुल लड़का हो या कुछ भी हो वो नहीं कर सकता। थैंक यू।
Hi, this is Shivam from the Secretarial Department. Today, on the occasion of this World Women's Day, my message to all the women across the globe will be that she is very, very important for us, for the society. The God has created women, which is the most precious thing which the God has created and provided to us. And this is my simple message for all the women. That what I personally feel that when all the winds are against us, when we literally need someone, there is always woman who also come to us in the form of a friend, in the form of the wife, mother or sister, who always come to us and show her respect to us. And people always say that why the God has created a woman, a man first, beside a woman. So the answer will be because it's better to prepare a draft before preparing a masterpiece. That's why the God has created man first and then a woman. Thank you and happy Women's Day.